topic we'll be discussing in this lecture is wireless markup language. So wireless markup language is a equivalent language to HTML that is used in mobile phones for for accessing the internet or for browsing through the web pages. Okay. So the wireless markup language is based on the standard HTML known from WW and also it depends on HDML, handheld device markup language. WML is specified as an XML document type. Okay? It is specified as an XML document type. That is, it comes under the XML category. When designing WML, several constraints of wireless handheld devices should be taken into account. Example, wireless link always have a very limited capacity compared to the wired link. And handheld devices have small displays, limited user input facilities. That is, typing is something is very difficult in a mobile phone because the finger size is big, but the keys for typing will be very small. Okay, limited memory and low performance computational resources. So all these things should be taken into account. So day by day, the computing resources are increasing, but still, these are some of the factors which should be considered uh, when when writing the markup language for mobile devices. Okay, WML follows a deck and a chord metaphor. That is, a WML document is made up of multiple chords. WML document is made up of multiple chords. Like how the HTML is made up of multiple tags. Like that here it is the WML document is made up of multiple chords and a collection of chord is called as deck. Chords can be grouped together to form deck. A WML deck is similar to a HTML page. uh, that is, it is identified by a URL, universal resource locator. Okay, so the WML deck is a collection of chords, and this deck can be similar to HTML page because it is also identified by an URL. So the user will navigate through the WML browser through a series of WML chords, and these chords can be either static, it may be statically generated, or it can be sometimes it may be dynamically also it can be. WML, the wireless markup language, it includes text and images, and also it includes user interaction, navigation, context management. So the markup language. So there are cards for creating text and images. There are cards for creating user interaction like text box, list box, radio button, whatever it may be. There are cards for creating navigation, and there are cards for creating context management. Context in the sense saving the context, saving the state of a context. Okay, that is saving the state between different decks. That is variable can last longer than a single deck, and so state can be shared across different decks. Cards can have parameters defined by using this state without access to server. So this is like saving the state or the variables from one deck to another deck. Fine, let us discuss an example WML code here. This is a simple code which is used to select pizzas. Okay. Uh, so initially we have the XML part because WML comes under XML type. Okay. Then so this, and then here is the WML starts. Okay, and it starts with the WML and it ends with /WML. And here we are creating multiple codes. So basically this code contains three codes. This is code one, and this is code two. Up to here it is code two, and this is code three. Okay. So in code one, what we have first, we have a do type. In the do we have type equal to accept go href to code two. That is it is an internal link. So it creates a h reference. If somebody clicks that, it will go to code two, and then it gives a paragraph. It creates a paragraph this is a simple first chord, like that it displays. And in the next line, it displays. On the next one, you can choose something like that. Okay. So these paragraph tags, BR tags, you can see all these are similar to the HTML tags. Okay. And then the next chord starts. So this chord ends here, and then the next chord. So the first chord ID, you can see chord 1. Its title is sample example. So it will display with the title sample example. Second chord ID is chord 2. Its title is pizza selection. So it will display as pizza selection. Here also we are including a do type accept, and there is a label called continue, and there is a H reference which is internally referring to chord 3. So if you click on this continue, it will go to chord 3. Okay. And there is a paragraph tag inside this chord tag, which is select your favorite pizza. Okay. So here we are using select box, select value equal to MAR, name is equal to pizza. So these are, MAR is one type of pizza. So here we are creating three different options. Option value equal to MAR, which is margarita. Option value equal to fun, which is fungi. Option value is equal to VUL, which is volcano. So these are the three different types of pizza you are providing here as an option. Okay, the user can. So these are the three different types of pizzas which are provided here. The user can select one. The user can select. Okay, and this is the select tag. This is the select tag which ends with slash select. Okay, and the paragraph tag starts here, that ends here with slash paragraph, and the second chord ends here. Okay, and here the third chord starts and the third chord ends here, and the third chord is chord 3, and its title is your pizza. Here within paragraph tag we are displaying your personal pizza parameter is B dollar of pizza. Okay, so this dollar of pizza will give what pizza you have selected. If you have selected Margaret, it will say a you, Margaret. If you say select fungi, it will say fungi. If you select volcano, it will say volcano. If you have not selected anything, say you have not selected any pizza, you have directly clicked on chord 3. Only if you click on chord 3, this will come up. Okay. If you directly clicked on chord 3, then the default pizza is margarita. So the margarita will display. Okay. So this is a simple code which explains how WML works, right? So this is so that's it about this particular lecture. So in this lecture we have discussed a brief introduction about WML and its working and principle, wireless markup language, right? Fine, let us stop here. Thank you.